It's contagious. Uh, now you can become a good trader too. It was good. Yeah. Okay. What do we have here? Um. Okay. Uh. Looks like Dixie hit the low of this fair value gap. It's in a deep, deep, deep discount bullish short block. Yeah. But let's see where this might want to go to. We may run back up in here, or maybe equilibrium we might run back into. Maybe get a me rebalance here. So that might be pulling the indexes down just a little bit this morning. Um, and YM came and rebalanced this fair value gap way up here. So we'll see if we have a potential pullback today. But if we do extend up in here in no man's land, I don't know what to do. But to think about waiting for retracements. Yeah, yes, that's fine. There's always today. No, we did not. So traditionally, what I do in the mornings is I look for our market maker model, you know. And yesterday we hit it. We hit the whatchamacallit yesterday. That's always a possibility. Um, the bottom line is we did hit our terminus. So now we're looking for, like you said, a retracement or a possible reversal. That's if we do get manipulation up here, right? And continue moving higher. I think I'm allergic to turtle soup. I mean, I've never really looked at it like that before, but I will now. But I don't remember, I don't recall that in March. Okay. So this here, Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I see that. I see that. Yeah. Uh, Okay. Well, what are your thoughts about this breaker here? This low, high, lower, low. We just close above it. You think this could be a breaker right here? Um, this low here. We have a high here, a lower low, higher high. Then we come back down to this bullish breaker right here. So like right here and then continue going up. Let's call it a daily breaker. Okay. With that in mind, let's sync this, sync this, sync this. I did not. I mean, yeah, I wasn't able to. Um, family affairs, so okay. Um, mhm. Big fair value gap. Daily mean threshold is kind of at the low of this fair value gap here, and that hourly mean threshold of the previous day's range, rather the body of the previous day's range. That's what that is. I mean, mean threshold is always going to be the body. Hourly, this looks like a manipulation during the news driver, so we're probably coming down retracement. That's what I believe. That is what I believe. Here we have a swing low here, sell side. What is your mean threshold? So is the body. Oh, for this? Oh, excuse me. Probably because I didn't do it right. Let's see. I probably got to zoom in. Here we go. Boom. What, this? I mean, I'm using this indicator here. I'm using this indicator here to get the marking. So, just, take the cursor and put over here like that. So 52.25, 552.25 is what I have here. If we go with our, all right, ooh, 6.5 standard deviation of this wick theory here goes to the low of the previous day's range, almost to the low of the previous day's range. Yes, standard deviations of today's wick goes to the low of yesterday's range. So the high of this fair value gap right here. So just an observation. Again, this is theory, so we'll see what comes of that. All right, I want to actually sync this globally to see if are there any, interesting confluences. Something's wrong with my trading view. It's taking, or maybe I need to. I'll be right back. I gotta. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, let me relaunch. Yeah, hold on. I'll be back. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Hello. No, 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 no. I just needed to reset this Chrome browser tab. Yeah. So this is what you're looking for. No, you don't want that. You want this. Um, I think this is it. Try this again. Yeah, I think that's what you're looking for. Okay. We have a bullish order block down here near the daily bullish order block, which also lines up with, I forget what standard deviation this point is right here. This is 4 standard deviation. So this is very interesting to me. I'm going to mark this out as a potential area we can go down to. Okay, bunch of fair value gaps in here, bunch of inefficiencies. Mean threshold is here. I bet that optical trade entry of yesterday's range. Ooh, that lines up. Does that line up? Oh, hold on, let me do this real quick. So optical trade entries down here next to this order block and forced standard deviation. This is all very close to each other. What is that noise? Something around my neighborhood. Okay, so that looks interesting. Let's just continue with the 15. Sell side here. Yep, 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 yep. This looks like a balanced price range. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Bull short block here, bear short block. Yep. We have our first stage or accumulation right here. So it's on the 15. We have a swing low down here. Let's see if we can target this as add this as a target, which this is in confluence with 2.5 right here. Standard deviation is lined up with this swing low, sell side, so 15. Oh, why they do that to me? 15 minutes, sell side liquidity. So all I'm doing is marking out where our liquidity pools are, or draws and liquidity could be. That's all that I'm doing. But we're going to be constantly looking left if we continue to go down lower. Okay. And then, of course, we have this one down here, which no need to mark that out because we have, if we get down there, then I'll just look for it. So we have that one there. We got that one there. 15-minute sell side liquidity. My arch is over 2.5. And then we have, I guess, 2 with this accumulation here. So we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Secret layouts. So that's what I think. All right. So if we look at the correlate theory thingy, we left Asia highs up there, minute open. Wait, here we go. Let's take a look at this quarterly theory. Let me just open him up right here. Let's look at the 15. We'll start off with the daily quarterly theory. So we're looking at 6-hour cycles. This is 6 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have this huge run up. I mean, that's pretty much yesterday's price action. I really want to consider that as anything specific. This is hourly. Why don't I have that there? It didn't sync. Okay. Sync globally. Sync globally. What are your ideas for today? You think we're gonna be bullish, bearish? Hello? Yeah, I don't know either. So it's not a bad thing. It's a good thing not to know. It means you just allow price to do what it needs to do. All right. So All right, so my first target is just these lows on here at 665.50. I mean, we have another swing low right here, which we just came to, but I think we can break through that. And if you want, we can, I'll have to go trade entry this. Yeah, we're pretty low in there, so I think we can blow through that. Um, Possible retracement back into this Q2 cycle, and if we do get that retracement to the Q2 cycle, just like a morning manipulation, what we have here is 15-minute bearish shorter block right here, very close to um, mean threshold of the Q2 range here. See that right in there? And also mean threshold of this Wicks body too. So we might get that at in the next 4 minutes. How many points is that? And then we almost took out these lows down here. So this is 26 points, 4 points shy of our daily target of 30 points. So it's something to consider. Maybe even look for shorts at that higher time frame PD array right in there. Uh, but other than that, we're just chilling. Okay. Yeah, we got something coming out at 9:15. I think that's a okay. You see that? Why does it look at? I think that's a very good point that after we have a very aggressive day or series of days and we have a calm. So I forgot about that. I'm glad you mentioned that. We have a bullish order block on the 4 hour. Where? Where on the 4 hour? Where? Up here? This is a bullish order block? This? Oh, this fair value gap. Yeah, that's something like, is this new information? How come I don't know about this? All right, so market's about to open in 30 seconds. We're supposed to do this a little bit earlier, but today, present, purpose, prices are triple P's. Again, my goal for this week, this day, is to walk away buying discount, selling premium, review QT price action, high time frame bias. I need to review this. So yesterday I was pretty tired. I don't know why, but I was just tired. So, um, Maybe we can cover these highs up here to 706. This most recent swing high in the 1 minute. Our our manipulation. Yeah, and 2.5 of this bullish shorter block on the 5 lines up with Q2 50% as well as uh previous day's swing high or yeah, so fair value gap. Oh, there we go right there. Per your recommendation. So we do we what do we buy? Do we go in? Do we short? What do we do? I don't think we take their money. We just, be the person that they want to trade with. It's an even exchange. They give me what they have and I give them what I have. So it's even exchange. There's a small volume imbalance on the 15 that we just went inside of. Hey, I signed up. You see, like, why is it so sticky? Is there a problem with Top Step? Or not Top Step, but I don't know. 665? Yeah, when ours swing low. That's where I would look for an entry. Other than that, I'm not doing anything. It's a waste of time because we need a higher time frame. We need a higher time frame support. Oh, that's just the low of this candle here. Yeah, this is a setting inside of TradingView. You can um you can add the thing. See lines, price line, previous day close, price line, pre, post, market, price line, high and low price lines. Yeah, but this previous day low and high doesn't appear to be working unless this is it here. Yeah, this must be it here. But they don't tell me what it is though. And then you also have to factor in that. No, this is actually correct. This is where we closed at yesterday. See, 6 o'clock. Boom. So it does work, but it doesn't give you an indication. It doesn't tell you on the side what it is. That's the only downfall. Nah, I mean, the only thing I could do is turn it on and off. That's this here. It's actually giving you an indication here. It's actually telling you. It's giving me a label. But I guess that's why we go in and put the previous day high, previous day low lines in there. So whatever. That'll just be an activity that we'll do. Yeah. Yes, it is. What do you have in mind? You need that more. How many contracts do you plan on using? Now we're moving on up. Do we chase it? Do we chase it? Do we chase out the price? No. Okay. But what else is there to do? This is boring. There's nothing for us to do. I know, I'm just playing around. So I start joking. On the 1 minute, there's this buy side liquidity here on the 1 minute. Let's see if it can go up to there. I'm not saying that this is a high probability setup, but just an area of interest for me right here in the 1 minute. And then we have another one here. Let's just add a bunch of lipstick to the chart. Let's just add a bunch of lipstick to the chart. I wanna be what's happening? What's going on in this world? Oh, this is a 5 minute bear shorter block right here that we just tapped into. Let's look on the 15, see what we get. Accumulation. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Bounce price range. Yeah, on the 15 minute. Yeah. And he spoke about that before. It was last year in June. Mm-hmm. Small little fair value gap on the one, bullish for the block, change state delivery on the one. We have a change state delivery on the five as well, but I usually like the change of states of delivery that I like are the ones like this candle here, it would have to overlap it. I usually like those change of states of deliveries. Yeah. What the what this change in state delivery? I don't see a fair value gap on the 15 minute. On the 15 minute? Where? Or bullish shorter block or bear shorter block? Oh, right in here, the small little inefficiency. Jeez, I really gotta zoom in on this. I'm hunting for liquidity. What we looking for on the 15? No. Mm-hmm. Breakaway. We do have this fair value gap here. That's on the 5 below the New York Open right here in a 15-minute change of state of delivery, as well as optical trade entry and 50% of Q2 90-minute cycle. It's just above the 15-minute fair value gap that you identified. Yeah, this one right here in a deep premium, as well as optical trade entry and Q2 of or 50% of Q2. We're bullish right now on a lower time frame because we just came back into this fair value gap and now we're running up. So this could be stage one, yeah. If we come back to this 1 minute bullish order block, that could be an entry. Could be an entry right here. And this is 940. This inefficiency here on the 15. I mean, we're not gonna get many points on this. I'm just saying, like, this is not worth it to me if you ask me. I'm just saying it's where price can go. S- Right. Hmm. So part of confirmation is to see the other side of the curve transpire. So right now in the 1 minute, we're coming to that 1 minute bullish order block. If this can hold, that means bulls are in control. And I want to see bulls to be in control so they can get their energy out and get tired when they come into premium or bears need to be in control. And then this swing low right here is sell side liquidity on a 1 minute time frame, right? Sell side. No, I want bulls to be in control. I just want it for long. No, we need to go higher. You see an inverse for value gap. Where? And we just went to this bear shorter block on the 5. I don't see an inverse fair value gap on hourly. Are you talking about this thing right here? Oh, it does count. We just tapped into it. But we didn't put like a body over it though. It's got a little wikis. Yes, it is. But I don't see anything on the hourly or 4 hour that will be a draw on liquidity that will send us higher. Can you confirm that with me? Yeah. So like we need so right now we're engineering liquidity is what you're saying. We're creating new lows for people to put their sell stops and buy stops. So here we have a potential 45-point move from this level up here at 711 down to this 1 hour sell side liquidity or the new low we just made. It's about 40 points. So that's a good trade. Yeah, good short. So and then after that we get to review our trades and then we get to go outside and walk around and yeah, I'm just being silly. It looks like the bodies are respecting this fair value gap though. And now we have a that's the thing, it's very close to call this an inverse because we barely wick below it and the bodies are like kind of respecting it. Not perfectly, but I don't know. I'm not gonna sweat over it. Yeah. I mean for inverses, this one is a very close one. It is technically an inverse because we do close below it, but I like to see a big one, like we close. So whatever. We'll see though. No, I don't see any. 6 o'clock yesterday, 6 p.m. I don't see any inverse. Oh, I don't pay attention. Yeah. No, I'm not looking at that one. Because I want to I want to look for high time frames, draws on liquidities, like swing lows, swing highs, as well as for inverses, I would rather see them on like the other side of the market maker curve. This one is a bit far over to the left, and it's on the 15. So to me, this is um irrelevant. To me, it is. All right, so now we're reaching up into this area. Okay. So now I'm looking for we had one stage distribution, second stage. So now I'm looking for a potentially entry right in this area right now. So I had yeah, had my 1 minute up. Uh, so I'm looking for a potential short position. Now, for you, maybe two contracts, maybe one, and if it does give us this first stage distribution, then you can throw in some more contracts on there. All right, so what should we be doing now? What is our step-by-step process that we should be doing now? Yes. And what else? Time, yeah, time, yeah, time's important. Oh, this looks good on the 15. 2.5 on the 15. On the one, we did. We're Oh, that was a yeah, that was a 15. I was looking for our last OB 2.5. What you call it? And that lines up with all this information up here. S- So we have our drawn liquidity right here at this swing high right here. This right here, this 706 right here. We just came above that. Uh-huh. And then yeah, and then we have let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of that. 15-minute bear short of block. Let's see if that wants to hold. All right, so definitely take out that draw liquidity. All right, still moving up. No short positions just yet. Order block or fair value gap on the 15. Yeah, yeah, I see it. Mm-hmm. We have a new hourly candle coming up as well. 18.7, 10, 75. It was the open, which is 7, 10, 25. All right, so now just a bunch of wicks. So this might just be retracement on the 1 minute. Let's see if this 5 minute can turn red. All right, so here we go. We got something now. Let's see if we can close here on a 1 minute. Okay, we got something. Bull short of black on a 1 minute. Let's see what that wants to do. All right, good. Hit that. Test that one. Bulls are in control. We never played the bull bear game, so bulls are in control. Why? Because we just hit these order blocks. We have a wick coming up. All right. Let the bulls have their party. Go ahead, have your party. At the yeah, yeah, 1 minute. All right, so bulls had the little party. They had the little wick. Now they're moving back up. They're still bullish. All right, now we're coming back to this 15-minute OB. Let's see what we get here. I'm looking at all three of these charts here. Oh, 15 second. We just respected this fair value gap. Bullish short of block down here. We touched that. Now we're moving up. 2225 is up here. Oh, that's way up there. Yeah, we're bullish. I don't know if we can get a short opportunity right here. This might just be consolidation on the grand scheme of things. But this bullish short of black that we tagged into, this was a nice one. 10-point run. We might want to come for the New York Open. We do have this fair value gap here on the 5. 8:30 open. Could all this be accumulation, manipulation? Fair value gap forming on the 1 minute. This could be an inverse, potential inverse, as well as a 1 minute bullish bearish order block, potential bearish order block if we can close below it. It looks like we hit mean threshold or constant encroachment of this fair value gap on the 5, went up to the 15, tapped into that bearish order block. Bulls are still in control. Looking at market maker model accumulation, stage 1, run up, stage 2. Where is our stage 3? 3 minutes left in this hourly cycle. 10 o'clock is coming up. So we're going to get a lot of shifts in the next 2 minutes. 4 hour shift, hourly shift, 15 shift. Maybe that's why 10 p.m. is so powerful, or 10 a.m. is so powerful. All right, we got something now. All right, so you want to go short here? I'm going to go short here. Okay? Yeah, let's wait. I'm gonna wait. I want to see if we can come back up in this, or at least to wait for this close here. If this 1 minute could turn into a chain state delivery, then I want to look for short with a 10-point stop loss. Let's put this up here. This is 10 points where we are right now. So I might, okay, good. Come on up. Come up to this bearish shorter block. So this is where I'm looking to go short. Right here at 707. But we didn't get a break of structure, right? That's what we need. We need break of structure. Okay, so we didn't get that. No 5 minute change state of delivery. No, I'm learning. See, you're teaching me. Be patient. We just hit the we just hit the New York Open. Maybe on the 15th we can see something here. Yeah, 30 seconds, 20 seconds. All right, we're in a new hour. We're in a new 4 hour. We're in a new 15. We're in a new 5. Let's look at a higher time frame, get a feel for what's going on. We have a huge wick on the 4 hour. And then on the hourly, run up, stage 1, run up, boom. No changes to delivery on the hourly. Now we're moving up on the 15. Fair value gap on the 5 is what we're still trying to break through. So this might be consolidation, waiting till that Q4 quarterly shift. Then maybe we'll see something. Is this not a turtle soup on the 1 minute? No. this is? This 15-minute order block, bearish order block, 50%, fair value gap, all that's holding. What will be our other qualifier? What will be the other piece of the puzzle for us to go in for a short here? So that bullish order block is what ES is running into on the 15. It barely went to the New York Open. We have a barely have a change of state delivery right here. So no AMDs, no market maker models, no PO3, although that was, I mean, this can be our market maker model, but this is our accumulation. And then within our accumulation, low to high, we're just accumulating. All right, we just hit this. So hands off right now. We're just accumulating right now. Let's go down to the 15 seconds, see if we get us any information. This is tight range. We have a bow and arrow formation. Look at that bow and arrow formation. So we're about to explode. You ready to explode? Which way are we gonna explode into? Is it down? Is it up? Is it sideways? Okay, I think we might have it. All right, here we go. We got something here. These lows on here. Bull short block. Yeah, we still are. We took out this low on the 5. Maybe this is a immediate rebalance on the 15. And again, we have a higher time frame. New candle. There we go. So this is also optical trade entry up here, where we just left, right? All of that. I didn't push the button to go short though. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. All right, accumulation, drop, run up, fair value gap. Took out this market structure shift here. Drop, fair value gap. This is all in 15 though. 15 second. I try not to look at the 15 second when we have internal range liquidity, although that's I know it's true. Yep, I was looking at that too. This is this 15-minute bearish order block and hold. 10 more minutes left in a 15-minute cycle. Although on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute, this technically looks like our this is a swing low on the 5 minute right here. So this might just be a retracement and move up higher. And this 1 minute bull short block right here was holding. All these bull short blocks down here are holding. So maybe this is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So should we go long here? Model 14. We tried that fair value gap one more time. I think this is meant for us to go short. If we come here, oh man, this was, see, should have gotten in up here. Okay. So do you want to jump in on this bus? To the upside for a short position? Short, short. To chase out the price? Nothing. If we just short right here, the optical trend entry to short was up here. But let's see if we can get a retracement into one of these fair value gaps. We are going into a new quarter, macro. Yep, we called it though. We called it, we called it, we called it. We called it. Damn it, I tried to catch a falling knife, now I'm getting poked, now it's going against me. Oh no. Oh no. Ellie, what should I do? We barely took out, still stuck within the range though. I mean, I think we're engineering liquidity. So we have a fair value gap right here. This could be a retracement to this fair value gap at 69. So maybe this could be a short position right here. 10 points will be the low of this fair value gap right here. Let's see if we can go up higher above it. That could be a nice little short position for us to take. Yep, right there. So I want to take this position for a short. Are you coming with me? Let's wait till it gets a little bit higher to like 700. Right now, yeah, it's limit order. Limit sell. I'm getting in at right here, 700. Yeah, if it can get there. No, it's being stubborn. Oh my goodness. Did you get in? Man, if we inverse this fair value gap, then I'm gonna mark it. This one right here. Fine, I'll just move it to 98.75. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. There we go. Come on, come on. 700. Psychological number. Hit it. Oh my goodness. Why? I mean, it might come back to it. There we go. Now I'm in. You got a good feel. Higher time frame rejected this 15-minute bearish order block. I do believe we can come to that fair value gap, so I'm putting my stop loss at 712. Okay. You got a better feel than I did. You got at 701. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, this we have a stop loss, we have our take profits. We just sit back and allow the wind to push price, put our sales up, let's catch some wind. Let's go in the direction that we want to go into. These lows, so like 672. I want to go to this 1 hour sell side liquidity at 665. We'll see if we can get there. That is a good point. Okay. For me, this is where things get tricky. Having to wait, getting nervous. I'm being better about that. Resilient, right? Consolidation. We ex Yeah, expansion. Yeah, could be. Well, if you bail out, is this an area to get in for a long position? No, I'm saying like if you weren't in on this position, would you enter here for a long position? I think you should sit on your hands. And why would you bail? Is it anxiety or is it the market telling you to bail? So get out then. What do you mean too late? Break even? Yep, I'm out too. But we're going back into this fair value gap, which is permissible. Let's see what we get out of that. This one on the 5 minute. Yeah, we look pretty bullish right now. Only question is we didn't take out these lows down here on the 1 minute, the AM session lows. Does that mean we never had a break in structure? And and then we had accumulation, manipulation, and going into Q4, right? Didn't take out break in structure, huh? Yeah. So you're saying we were supposed to be in a short? Well, we do have our SMTs with ES. SMTs with ES right here. Okay, okay. are they? So what does that mean? This one here? So should we have waited for a break or structure on the 5 minute time frame before looking to get into a position? So the data high manipulation. Right. We never did take that. That was our breaking structure that we were looking for. Okay. I'm good. Are you good? No. I think this fair value gap right here is where we might want to look for a long position. 5 minute fair value gap, bullish for the block right here. So I think we should be looking for a long position right here. I'm buying. Yeah, and here too for the sake of it, for visual purposes. Cause yeah, it was impulsive. I know. I'm not. Yeah, you're right. You said punish myself? If I walk away, I'm not coming back until the afternoon. Take my profits and run. Fine. All right. No, I canceled. I canceled. I have no trades. I'm logged out of Top Step. But this is, I'm not revenge trading. Got caught up in this. Got caught up in this. We failed to take out these lows here. That was an indication that, I'm not trading. I'm just saying that this here, I said that. Well, excuse me.